We'll build a miniature version control system, like Git, in a single Java class. It initializes a repository, adds files to a staging area, commits with SHA-1 hashing, and shows a log of commits. All content addressable, all in about 300 lines. We define the repository layout, a.minigit directory with objects/for content addressable storage, index for the staging area, and head to point to the current commit. The main method routes commands to init, add, commit, or log. This is the CLA entry point. Init creates the .minigit directory structure. It writes an empty index file and an empty head file. This prepares the current directory for version control. Add checks that a repository exists, reads the file, computes its SHA-1 hash, stores a copy in objects/under that hash, and appends an entry, hash, filename, to the index file. The hashing uses message digest and converts bytes to hex. That's how content addressing works. 2 store object variants, one copies file contents, the other writes a string, used for commit objects. Index entry is a simple data holder. The index is stored as CSV lines, add to index appends, read index parses them back. This is the staging area that will become part of the next commit. A commit reads all staged files, builds a commit record containing parent hash, timestamp, message, and file list. It hashes that content to get a commit ID, stores it as an object, updates head, and clears the staging area. This is a snapshot of the project. Log walks the commit chain starting from head. Each commit is parsed from its object file and displayed with date, message, and file list. The parent field links back to the previous commit, forming a history chain. Commit is a simple container. getCurrentHead reads the head file. readCommit reads the commit object from the objects folder and parses its structured lines into a commit object. The output shows a working mini version control system. Students can explore the .minigit directory to see how objects and the index are stored, then run log to see the commit chain. You've just built the core of Git, content addressing, staging, commits, and a log, all in about 300 lines of Java. This demystifies how version control actually works and gives you a solid understanding of hashing, file manipulation, and immutable snapshots.